Building Blocks Robotics Club is a year-long in-school program that Building Blocks runs at the premises of the partnering school. Typically, we would require around 30 participants to run a robotics club at any of the interested schools. Now, these 30 participants would then meet our instructors for 12 months, once every month, for a session of 3 hours, where they would be creating interesting robots and machines out of scratch or out of nothing. See, the benefits of robotics program are multifaceted. They range from academics, physical to social benefits that a participant gains out of a program. So for example, academically, a participant learns to think about mathematics and science in a new way. It's an innovative way to teach mathematics and science. And more importantly, the application aspects of mathematics and science are touched upon in this program. Secondly, there are physical aspects to the program. The participants have to create or construct the body of the robots during all the sessions, which really improves upon their manual dexterity, and it also has a tremendous impact on their hand-eye coordination. Thirdly, there are social aspects to this program. Typically, all the participants work in teams of 4 during the whole program. This working in team while creating something or while working on a project enables them to get exposed to the dynamics of a team or the team management at a relatively early or ripe age, which allows them to become good team players when they grow up. Finally, if you ask me, the only way that the school children are getting exposed to technology is through the usage of video games, which I personally feel is not a healthy way to get exposed to technology. This we believe is a good alternative to get exposed to technology and at the same time develop certain good academic, physical and social skills. See, the level of experience offered by off-the-shelf kits is very superficial. Now compare this with the level of academic experience offered by building robots out of scratch. So the participants get a chance to interact with science at a much deeper level, especially a subject like physics. That is one. Secondly, the participants get a chance to interact with tools like soldering iron or multimeters, which they would not do in any other environment. Thirdly, the participants get a chance to really understand complex subjects like electronics. They'll be playing around with ICs, with the resistors and capacitors to build their own circuits to create these robots.
What I saw was very interesting because I could see that the kids were fully engaged in what they were doing, and obviously it was an interesting subject for them, but not just an interesting subject per se, but actually a very, lively way of doing things. They probably knew the facts and figures, but they had the chance to actually use all of their senses to integrate that information. I think you're a fantastic team. You are driven, you're devoted to the idea, you're innovative, you're very brave to step in and be the first in this country.
I really liked having the workshops from the building blocks. The one reason what I felt about building blocks, having workshops over here, is the complete hands-on, the exposure of actually doing it to the kids was definitely very good, and I have liked about it personally this aspect of practical training to kids, telling them about concepts, telling them about different things about how does science work, what are the magics. So actually giving that exposure to children. I am very happy. I have received very good feedback from the parents, and they have really admired this like our initiative about having science workshops for children. And there are certain parents who have come up to me and they were so happy, they were so thrilled that children went back home very happy and demonstrated whatever they learned over here. And that was very good. I think all the schools should give building blocks a chance to demonstrate and give them a fair idea of how science works and how beautifully children can learn from the hands-on.
In the contemporary education system, where theory, number, concepts, definitions are all commonplace and the rarity is hands-on learning, this Robotics Club program comes across as a refreshing option to make learning much more enjoyable and hands-on. You can always find more about us on our website www.bbWorkshop.com, or give us a call to find more details about this program.